When the machine arrives your factory, each set of intelligent packing machine will separate in 4 parts. 2 case machines, the discharge conveyor, the packaging machine, 2 of the parcel corrector station. Each part will stick the mark. The same mark put together. Put the machine on the correct position. The conveyor or case machine should be lower than the plate of the packaging machine. The conveyor of packaging machine. The flap of the case machine should be as close as possible to the floor. And fix the conveyor by the screw. The screw is on the packaging machine. And the screw is on the correction station. Total 4 screws for the part of correction station. Fix it. Usually we will put this one on the table. You just install it on by 4 screws. And the cylinder, the direction of cylinder should be the same of this hole. And this part, the direction of this part should be the same direction of the button. This side. And connect the cable of the case machine with the packaging machine. Just plug these 2. And also plug this one, this cable for between the conveyor and the packaging machine. Then connect the air pipe. This one is for the conveyor. And connect the pipe for the case machine. The pipe for 2 case machine should connect 1 pipe with the packaging machine. We will use you should use these joints, which we install on the packaging machine already. 2 of it, one is for the case machine, another one, 2 of them is for the 2 case machines, and one is for the air supply. The cable for air supply. The air it should be about 5 MPa to 6 MPa. It can't be too big. If too big, the bread will not working well. And about your inkjet printer, we will pack in 1 carton. This plug to connect this one. The handle of printer install on this device.